Today I'm doing a haircut tutorial of Tayler Holder. I literally keep getting spammed over and over to do these TikTokers, and I'm like, all right, whatever. So I'm gonna be doing, these haircuts, all these TikTokers have literally the same type of haircut where it's just a mop on their head and it's layered, and the way they blow dry it is it's a look for all these guys. All these guys have the same types of haircuts, and they style it all pretty much the same way. So in this video, I'm gonna really be going over a haircut that I've done in the past, maybe tweaking it a little bit, and I'll really just show you guys how to achieve that look. Let's get started. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna break down the haircut tutorial for you guys and just kind of what I did. Now, I think his hair, I know he went blonde, but currently it's back to slightly darker than this, so I'd say like a medium brown. And the sides are probably about a number 2, going up in through this area and through here. There is a slight disconnection on the other side and through here. I tried to create a little bit of a line. It's not the easiest to do lines on mannequin heads, but we did a line going all the way down and through the back here. So that line basically separates this area in through here, and the top just kind of hangs over it. So the front is probably down to about the eyebrow area. And again, a lot of these guys, what they do is they bring the hair all back like this and then push it forward. And then that's how you get kind of that flipped look throughout the front and through here. And again, a lot of these guys have just kind of what I call it like the mop top haircut. You know, you need to have layers. Everybody wants to know, oh, what do I say to my barber, my hairstylist for this type of look? You have to make sure that the person cutting your hair is adding layers to the entire top of your head. If you don't have any layers, then the hair won't move like this, all right? The hair is not gonna have any sort of texture. It's not gonna have any sort of flow. You can't run your fingers through it and manipulate the hair. So that's why layers are important. The length on top, I'd say, is probably about 4 inches or so, 4.5 inches on top. And you know, the front, you can bring it down a bit more if you want to, or again, if you want that kind of sticking up in the front piece hair style with those pieces flowing, then you can do something just like this. So that is pretty much it. All right, YouTube, let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Maybe get Tayler to see this. I'd appreciate it, but stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.